Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene, Texas. Just want to welcome you, man. It is a glorious morning. A little bit of overcast skies, but man, it is a beautiful day. I hope that you have some fun plans, and maybe some of those plans might include coming out and taking a look at a home. I'm going to give you a tour today of our Beaumont home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home produced out of our Fort Worth factory. That's it there behind me. I'm going to turn around so you can kind of see a little bit more about it, and then we'll go inside and I'll show you some of the features. When you look at this home, it's got a really great presentation. It's over 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just a lot of great space to use. In this home, we've put the 50-year warranted exterior siding by Louisiana Pacific. This home also features a steel roof that you can order from the factory. And then we finished this home. This is kind of cool. A lot of people ask me about how do you finish the underpinning. We did a rock wall underneath this house. It looks really great. Built a nice little deck on the front. Oh, also want to remind you that we do offer modular homes. And if anybody needs modular, just give us a call. We'd be able to help you and kind of go over the differences between modular and manufactured. So we'll step inside. When you come to the front door, first thing you'll see is we've got this real pretty Texas star door. That's an option that's available to you. And when you come into the house, you've got a really cool front living room that opens up. Now in this home, we've done the Southern Yellow Pine trim package. That Southern Yellow Pine is a true wood finish. You'll see the Southern Yellow Pine doors there. You've got a really nice front living room. Now we're going to come back to this, but here on this wall, if you want to make that a half wall across here that opens up a little bit more into the kitchen, you've got that available. We've used an antique brass finish for all the ceiling fans and everything in here. But man, this is a gorgeous home. This is a big 36-inch pine door that comes into the master bathroom. The home features the lever handles, and then they've carried that antique brass look on even into the door hinges. This is a large master bedroom. You can kind of get a view of it here. The big dual thermal pane windows are bringing in a lot of light in here. And then it's got a really cool presentation, a double door entry into the master bathroom. Love those pine doors. So give me a thumbs up or give me a comment. Tell me what you think about those pine doors. This is one of 2 different bathroom configurations that are available. You can get it with the island tub, or you can have a different configuration that puts in a huge shower. But this home is featured with the, again, the kind of the hickory cabinet setup. It's got the linen cabinets over here to the side with a dual vanity. I really like the brick backsplash. Now you get to pick your cabinet styles and your countertops. So if you don't care for the hickory, we can do something a little bit different. And then over on the opposite side, you've got a 60-inch ceramic tile shower. That tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. The bigger shower is actually even larger than that. Now, one of the things I get a lot of comments on is the configuration of this closet. It has a huge closet here just off the master with the wood rods, wood shelves, additional hanging space here. And then this closet actually walks all the way through. It's got a transom window to bring in some light, but walks all the way through. So you've got 2 hanging areas here in the closet. And then you come back out into the master bathroom. I like the drawer bank in between, plenty of counter space, just a really pretty presentation. Now this Southern Yellow Pine package carries through, that theme carries through the entire home. So when you come back in, I'll give you another vantage point of this front living room. Lots of space in here, room for some big furniture if you want to. I really like the oversized windows. Now, cool thing is you can see all the traffic going by on the outside, but you really don't hear it inside the home. Just a testament to how well the home is built. It's got a really nice dining area. Now, the dining area can accommodate a pretty large table. Here, where we've done the half atrium door in the background, you'll see it over here. That's the half atrium door. You also have the option to do a full atrium. And then look at this kitchen. Now, who doesn't like that? You've got options available to you on your appliances. You get to pick all of your appliances. You can do black or white or stainless steel. You have a wall oven option that's available. You'll see over there to the left where that microwave is built into the tower pantry. You can do wall ovens there. And this wall right here is where I'm telling you, if you cut that down, you can make that a half wall, and that'll open up into that front living room if you want a little bit more of an open kitchen. The island space is much more than adequate. Really good island in here with the drawer over door presentation. Here at the kitchen sink, they've done a step-up countertop to make it easier for doing dishes. I like the brick backsplashes that are in here. Now, the cabinets that are in here are all wood cabinets. They're a wood cabinet style. And then you'll see interior, they've got adjustable shelves, so those shelves adjust up and down to your preference. They use the European style hinges on your cabinetry, which gives you about a 30% stronger cabinet. But this thing just really has a lot of counter space. I don't know if you're a plug counter, but if you count all of the outlets that are in here, they go all the way around in this kitchen. But it's a really, really nice setup. The island has bar stool seating here underneath. So you can have the kiddos around when you're preparing meals and just have some conversation. Another cool feature in this kitchen are these big pot and pan drawers that are housed underneath the microwave. But they pull way out. They're a big double depth pot and pan drawer. And man, I tell you, this thing just gives you a lot of storage. Now, as far as colors and decor, we've chosen an accent wall here in the dining room. You can choose your own accent colors, wall colors, flooring. This particular flooring is kind of a distressed farm wood look. I think it looks really sharp in here. And then we're going to come back into the bedrooms. Now, these guest bedrooms or kids' rooms are centered in the middle of the home, which is a little bit different. Again, you get your pine doors that are included in that Southern Yellow Pine package. Good-sized bedrooms. Everything in this home is full tape and textured sheetrock. So it's all half-inch sheetrock all the way through the home. And then you get these really nice walk-in closets back here in the kids' rooms. And those are also done with the wood rods and the wood shelves. You've got 2 bedrooms this size of the one that I'm in. And then this home opens up back here in this transition area. Really, really nice. And it invites you back to that second family room, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. And here's another one of the kids' rooms or the guest rooms. Again, done with a lot of space, a lot of floor space in here. All of the bedrooms are already wired and braced for ceiling fans, so you can just exchange that light fixture for a ceiling fan. Really nice walk-in closet again. And then hang with me because I think you're going to love to see what we're going to look at next. Your hall bathroom is featured with the single-piece fiberglass tub shower combination. You'll notice the elongated commodes and the big double-door linen cabinet. They use china sinks, metal faucets all the way through the home. And then, well, I'll just go around this way. Nice feature is this bathroom actually opens up into the mudroom. And look at the size of this laundry room. It just goes a mile back in here. You've got space for a full-size washer and dryer. They've pre-installed the access panel for plumbing if you ever need to get into that. And I really like what they did with the dryer vent down here. They recessed it back into the wall so your dryer doesn't stick out past your washer. You've got the option to put cabinets here above the washer and dryer, or you can go with the standard shelf. And then the additional storage, you've got two little storage cubbies right next to the washer and dryer for a hanging area. Then a lot of folks will use this spot to put in a cubbies and bench seat, or use it for an additional freezer. The end wall entry is a nice feature as well, because that way you could go out to a carport or garage. And there is an option to put a laundry deep sink right there with a folding table. So you can really dress this home up here in the utility room. Then one of my favorite features in the house is this second family room. So when you come back in here, what a great game room, man cave. I love the windows that come all the way around. Makes it a little hard to get a shot for you, but I want you to see how nice this is. That's a large sectional that's back here in this second living room. Really gives a cool look. Very comfortable and cozy back here. This is a pretty large living room. And then look at this fireplace installation. This is a wood burning fireplace, already set up for your TV jacks and electrical outlets above the fireplace. You have options on fireplace finishes. If you want to do the stone or tile, you can do rock. We call it the Austin stone or the Mayan stone. You've got an additional storage closet here. And that closet's a pretty big closet. I'll kind of walk over and open it up for you. But you can see you can store a lot of stuff in here. So there's storage available in this home all over the place. Now, if you have any questions about this home, we'd be happy to answer those for you. You can reach us here on Facebook and just send us a message. I'll put the link in there in a little bit. Or you can give us a call at 325-480-0035. The home that we're in is called the Beaumont, model 5079, and it can be built as a modular constructed home to comply with site-built building codes. So, man, give us a call. We've got a lot of application for this home. Here's a quick look at the floor plan, and there you can kind of see that alternate bathroom back there that would go in the master bathroom, but a really, really nice layout. I'm happy to send a copy of the floor plan out to you if you'd like to take a look at it. Just let me know how I can help. This is Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. We're in the model 5079, the Beaumont. One of the prettiest kitchens, really impressive master suite. Would love to hear from you. Give me a call when you get a chance. Also, would like to hear some feedback from you on what you would like to see on our next Saturday showcase. I've got about 20 homes to choose from, and I'm very, very pleased to help you see what you want to see. We offer virtual tours. So give us a call, 325-480-0035, or visit us at oakcreekabilene.com and take a look at our floor plans there. Appreciate you guys. Hope you have a great Saturday. We're going to.